Do you feel so confused about there's so many ways of doing affiliate marketing? Yeah, I get you. Hey, what's going on? Nick Tsai here. So today I want to share with you 4 different schools of affiliate marketing. So when I first started, I didn't know there's so many different ways of doing affiliate marketing. I bought so many courses, but what frustrated me is that it's all different. Like some people told me, okay, you have to create a Facebook group. And some people told me, hey, you have to create a fan page and you have to create a blog. You have to write a Kindle. It's so confusing for me. So after years of study, I noticed there's actually 4 different schools. So today you can see what school you are in, and you can also see what school you want to move into, right? So there are actually 4 different types of affiliate marketer. The first one is share. So share you can see as a missionary of the products. So they may have a passion about promoting the product, but they may know how to promote. They do all the things manually. So that's a problem. And those are people who are spamming in your group, or they will private message you and say, hey, you want to buy this one? It's kind of annoying, right? So if you are sure, congratulations for taking actions, but you want to build more leverage for your business. So a good share, they can make maybe $100 per month or sometimes $1,000 per month. But it's really hard for a share to scale their business. So if you want to build a business, you want to learn the other 3 types of affiliate marketing. The second one is what we call trader. So you can think about like stock market trader. They buy stock for low price and they are looking for a positive ROI. And that's exactly what I'm meaning. So a trader is those who buy ads. They are chasing after cheap traffic and they want to promote affiliate products. So all they do is they send those cheap clicks or those traffic directly to the offer, or sometimes they will send to a lender, then send to the offer. But most of the time, they don't really build a following because all they care about is a short-term ROI. So if you are doing really well with like what I call ad trading, like you buy ads and you promote offers, then you can make sometimes 5-figure and even 6-figure with this strategy. And it's actually, there's so many courses teaching you how to buy ads and promote the offer. The problem is that it's really hard for you to become a legendary like affiliate marketer because you are not building your following. You are not building any asset. So if you are a trader, try to move some of your budget to build some real asset, right? So another one is what I call the landlords. So landlords are those who owns assets. So they may have blogs, they may have a good YouTube channel, they may have a following, maybe Facebook, or they may have an email subscriber. Sometimes the problem is they don't really know how to build a personal brand. So they feel really limited when it comes to monetization, when it comes to monetize their traffic. So if you are a landlord, you want to learn how to build your like a brand, right? You want to build your following because I was a landlord. I built so many blogs. I'm still a landlord right now, but I'm kind of moving to the next level, which is leader. So if you are leader, you can be any of all those 2 though, right? So you can be a trader, but because you are building your following, so you become a leader as well. So if you are a landlord, you want to become a leader. So you not only owns blogs. So because I have so many niche blogs, but because they're so different, it's hard for me to build my personal brand. So a leader is someone who leads, who owns their personal brand. They have their own following, they have their own asset as well. So as a leader, it's easier for a leader to make more than 7-figure with affiliate marketing. So I remember when I went to Funnel Hacking Live, this year, I met so many super affiliates, and all they do is they become the thought leader in the market. So all they do is, okay, buy this product, and people will buy. So, wow, why? Because they build a relationship, they build a trust with their audience. So I recommend you, if you are of any of that, maybe you are sure, learn to build your leverage, learn to build your content, learn to create assets. Then if you're a trader, learn to build your following, learn to build your list, and learn to build a relationship with your list. If you're a landlord, then you can use your current asset and build your own following, right? Or if you already have, congratulations, you can learn how to differentiate yourself and make yourself unique in the marketplace. If you're a leader, congratulations, keep on going, and I hope you can just do really well on your market. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed that. If you have any questions, please comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe my channel. Also, if you want to learn more about how to do affiliate marketing, check my description and have more resource for you. So thanks for watching. I will see you soon in the next video.